Hi everybody, I'm Melissa with LuLaRoe, Melissa Starr. I'm going to take a few minutes today to tell you guys and introduce you to a few styles that LuLaRoe carries that's perfect for the petite woman. So I am here at like just over 5'1", so I've always faced a lot of the struggles that most petite women find in finding stuff that fits and is flattering without either going down into a kid's size where I'm wearing kids clothes, where I look like I'm wearing kids clothes, or finding the issue where things look too heavy and too big on me. So I want to introduce you guys to a few styles that we carry that you might not think about trying. So we did a live last week and went through a lot of these, and you can always shop the replay on our group. You can join us at www.shopthestars.com. But I actually just want to introduce you to the styles today. So that's all we're going to do. So I'm going to show you and walk you through what I'm wearing, introduce you to a few styles, talk you through the mannequins back here. And if you guys ever have questions, you can contact me by PM me directly through our Facebook group or our Facebook page at LuLaRoe Melissa Starr. So I'm going to start off with tops. So there are things within the regular women's inventory that you can wear and wear excellently. Classic tee, for example, is one of them. This is an extra small classic tee. I personally wear up to an extra small. I even wear extra smalls and mediums at times as well, but you do have to be a little careful about the neckline because it does get kind of big if you're not careful, and you might have to wear something underneath it. It's just what it's called. A classic style t-shirt. It has a very minimal high-low hem, and it's not as long. So it's covering for most of us short people, but not as much. So classic tee is an excellent option for you if you are on the more petite size or if you're just shorter, with the larger sizes as well. So classic tee is an option. Another option that you will always still be able to go to is our Gigi. So Gigi is a fitted top with a fitted sleeve, fitted body. It is a little bit longer, but because it is fitted, you can tuck it in, turn it up. They're great tucked into skirts because they stay in place. So the Gigi is an option that is perfect as well. Another great option is a brand new top right now to the LuLaRoe brand named Amy. Amy is a crop top, so hey, for short people, it's not dragging to your knees, right? Amy is a really cute box-styled crop top with the dolman sleeves. It is a button-up with the rolled sleeves and pockets. You want to downsize 1 to 2 sizes from normal size, so you'd probably be in an extra small Amy. You can tuck it into skirts, or you can unbutton the last 2 buttons and tie it up at the bottom to pull it in to wear over skirts or regular pants. So the Amy is another option. Last of the regular women's I'm going to introduce you to is the Julia. So the Julia dress is a fitted dress, and you can go down to smaller sizes. So a Julia extra small fits girls size 12 to 14. So that's kind of the beauty of LuLaRoe, is there's a lot of overlap in the sizing between kids and women's, or girls and women's. So you have this great overlap where the styles actually meet and overlap one another rather than having a gap in sizing. So extra small Julia or the smaller sizes are excellent options. You can also take a Julia, wear it as a dress. You can also fold it under and wear it over leggings as an adjusted length tunic top. So Julia is also an option in regular women's clothes. What I'm mostly here to talk to you guys today about is how we as petite women can wear kids' clothes. So you get the bonus of a kids' clothes price tag, but the fit that you want as a petite woman. So what I'm wearing right now today are 2 things that are actually out of our kids line. So I am wearing a Scarlet girls dress. A Scarlet dress looks like this. You can wear it in a size 12. If you're super petite, you can probably go down some, but I'm wearing a size 12 right now. I prefer it in the slinky materials, legging materials, anything that's super stretchy. Because it just gives me a little more room. But if you wear a size 12 in a Scarlet dress, you can wear it as a longer tunic top. So on me, this is going to go about halfway down on my thighs. So if you're even shorter than me at 5'1½", you might even be able to wear it as a dress yourself. So I wear mine as a tunic top, a longer tunic top. You can belt it, you can tie it up at the bottom to show your leggings. There's so many great options with this. It is just a simple cap sleeve. And then it's got this beautiful, it's very comparable, it's like the kids' version of the Carly, but with a less exaggerated high-low hem at the bottom. So it is an A-line at the bottom with a high-low. So kids Scarlet size 12 is an excellent option for petite women looking for a little bit more fitted tunic top. So I'm going to put this down just a hair for a second. Give you guys an idea of where it comes on me. So that's where it comes on me. Like I said, I can knot it. I can do all sorts of fun stuff with it to wear it. Okay, so that is the kids' Scarlet. Again, kids' version of the Carly dress. Another option a lot of women like is if you're shorter and smaller. This is a size 10, but a size 12 may. It is a girl's dress, super cute dress, with the elastic waistband and pockets. You can wear it as a top with a belted piece, and you can wear it as a longer tunic top. Or if you're short enough, you can even pull this off as a short dress as well. So that is the kids' May. And go through these real quick. So the last thing in terms of tops that I have is something to show you is they have the girls' Gracie tops for girls, and you can wear it as a boy too. This one has got flowers on it. The Gracie size 14 is a great alternative if you wear an extra small Irma. You can even go down probably to a 12. I like sticking at the 14. It's still a looser top. So I wanted to show you the size difference. So it's the same thing as an Irma. Fitted sleeves, kind of like your straight pipe cut with a high-low hem. Pretty exaggerated. Plenty long enough to cover. And this is the size comparison to an extra small Irma. It's always nice to see this stuff. So here's your difference in your sleeve length. So it's not nearly as long of a sleeve from the neck. So shoulder here, an Irma has a little bit more of a drop on your shoulder. It is not as wide, but it's also shorter. So here's the big difference. Look at the difference in length. So this would be a great top to pair with like jeans or skirt or something. So this is the kids' Gracie top. So it's the kids' version of an Irma. So this is a 14 in comparison to an extra small Irma. So that's everything I'm going to introduce to you guys in terms of tops, like shirts. The other thing, which I do not currently have in my inventory, is the kids' Sloan. It's the kids' version of the Randy top. The Randy is a 3/4 length sleeve, a raglan cut baseball style top. And we have Sloans that go up through 14, so they would cross over with your extra small up to extra small Randys. Okay, so what I want to show you, this is one of my favorite things I have learned. I have a longer body, so I can carry off a lot of the women's tops better, but really short in the legs. So I size into a small azure skirt. And I have found, especially I like the maxi material and the jersey material because they're good and stretchy. Some of the crepes and other materials that aren't as stretchy are not as forgiving. But this is a maxi size 14 kids azure up against an adult size small azure. They're the same width at the waistband, which you can see on the back. The waistband, the yoga waistband, is lower on this back one. That's the adult small versus the kids 14. So a little less waistband, which gives you a considerable difference of length in the skirt. If I pair the bottom of those yoga waistbands up, they are fairly comparable in length, but you still have, look at that, a couple inches difference. So this is my favorite hack I have found in terms of wearing kids' clothes. Just as much fullness, look at that, just as much fullness in your kids' azure, but a considerable lot less fabric and length. So I wear about a 6 right now, 6 possibly pushing an 8, and I can wear the size 14 kids and the slinky and jersey material, and it comes to still just above my knee. So if you are smaller than that, you could go down to a size 10 or 12. And also, again, depends on your fabric, okay? So slinky, jersey, anything that's super stretchy, it has a lot of give. So the kids' azure is an excellent skirt for the summer. Okay, last thing I want to show you guys are the kids' cover-up options. I'm wearing one of them. This is called the kids' Monroe jacket. It's a super cute bomber style zip-up jacket. It hits about the waist. This is a size 14. It has got pockets. And then on me, like I said, I'm about 5'1.5". I would wear it as like a little 3/4 length sleeve jacket. Super cute, fits wonderfully. So that is what this is. This is a kid's Monroe jacket. So here is one on a hanger. Show you the details. The lace, it's a little harder to see it on. So this is the pockets. Zip up, super cute style top in the sleeves. I also have one in the middle mannequin here on the back. Okay, lastly, This is the kids Bianca cover-up. So Bianca cover-up is a smaller version of the adult Lindsay. So for me, a lot of times the adult Lindsay, because I'm short and I have short arms, has a tendency to swallow me whole. So I love the Bianca as an alternative, and you don't have to even be quite as small in sizes. I would say the Bianca you can wear as long as your arms aren't super heavy in comparison to the rest of your body. You could probably wear up, if you wear up through like a medium of a regular like classic top. It is a looser top. I'm going to put this one on for you guys to show you in just a second. It does come down pretty low. Okay, so these are great options. So I'm going to take off this Monroe jacket and show you guys the Bianca on me super quick so you guys can see it. Love this cover up. It comes in regular and in an elegant version. I wear this over my Carlies with jeans and pants and leggings, all sorts of options. I love it over a Julia with a Maria dress, you name it. So this is the elegant Bianca. So this is what I was saying, it is tighter than a sleeve in the Lindsay, so you have to be careful with the tightness of sleeves. But you're not meant to wear cover-ups like this. Your cover-ups are meant to be worn to outline your silhouette. So look, there's still lots of length, lots of cover, and it's nice and flowy. So I could wear something like this and I don't look nearly as swallowed up alive as I would possibly in an adult size. I do like my bigger Lindsays. I do wear them. So it all depends on what outfit you're going for, but I wanted to let you guys know this Kids Bianca is a great option for you. So I'm going to walk you guys through real quick the styling on the mannequins. It feels weird not doing this as a live to ask questions. But again, I've gone through this kind of fast just to give you a brief introduction. If you guys ever have questions, come find me at shopthestars.com, or you can PM me directly on Facebook at LuLaRoe Melissa Starr, or you can always email me LuLaRoe, LuLaRoe, Melissa, MELISSA, Starr, STARR @gmail.com, and I'm always happy to answer questions. So lastly, again, we just talked about the Monroe jacket. I am wearing this Scarlet Dress, which is a kid's dress, and I'm wearing it as a tunic top. So it's just a loose tunic top over leggings. I can take it and like super easily knot it up if I want to show a little bit more of my leggings, make it a shorter top. Lots and lots of options. Difficult to do on camera, backwards. Okay, lots of options I can do, right? Right here on your far right, you're going to see, or on the left, this is a true red scarlet, so you can wear as a tunic top covered up with a Bianca. So look at this great pairing. So you can see how this is a size 3 or a large Bianca. Those are the ones I recommend for the adults. How well that pairs with it. And again, if you are shorter, I would say probably 5 foot or under, you could totally wear the Scarlet as a dress. Super cute Monroe jacket. And then this is one of my favorite things for the summer. Size 14 Gracie top. So again, your smaller version of an Irma paired with the kids azure skirt. This is a size 14 azure skirt. This is in a jersey material, so it's super stretchy. You could also pair down to even a size 12 or 10, depending on your size. Like I said, I wear a size 6 to borderline 8 probably now, and I can easily wear these 14s and even down to some of the 12s in a really stretchy material, and they give you a lot less length in the skirt. Super cute outfits. These don't look like kids' clothes. So there's some options for you guys for petite styles in LuLaRoe. I hope this has helped you guys and given you some inspiration for dressing. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.